Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. Hope you are fine. And as we have been doing multiplication, this is our topic multiplication. We will learn today pages 91, 92, or 93. What is multiplication, by the way? As we have been doing, and you are doing some other tasks beside your book questions, and I receive very good feedback. Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times. You take one number, एक number लेते हैं, उसको number of time आप add करते चले जाते. For example, 5 multiplied by 4. So over here we have 5. We have 5, this one, right? And we will add how many times? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 4 times, right? So it will be easier. Means by the adding the number, same number over and over again, it will be easy to count it. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now 20. And it is also, this method is sometimes also called times, because we are many times we are adding it. So let's come to the pages of your book. Now this is multiplication table of 3 and 4, and now as you can see some pictures over here. Pictures of flowers. Pictures of flower. There are how many boxes? 4, and each box contains 3 flowers, means 4 groups, and each group contains 3 flowers, right? How many flowers are there altogether? In this there are four groups, and each group contains 3 flowers. So altogether we will count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And as I told you in the beginning, we will add it again and over again. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? 3 we will add 4 times, because there are 4 groups now. So it will be 12. One group of 3, एक group है ना, one group. How many flower? कितने flower इसमें? 3. It's mean one group, 3 flower. 3, right? 3. Now 2 groups, and each group contains 3 flowers. 2 groups of 3 means 2 groups of 3, 6. We can count flower as well. Now 3, you must notice one thing. There was a one group and 2 groups. Now 3 means one group is being added in each time. 3 groups, and each group contains 3 flowers. 3 groups, 3 flowers. 3 into 3, 9. Here 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 4 groups, and each group contains 3 flowers. Means 4 groups. This is a group, 4 group, and each group contains 3. So 4 3s are 12. These are 3, 3, 6, 9, and 12. There are 12 flowers altogether. Now come to next page. Now they are the same. Use this to make group of 3. Now this is groups of right? This is a group, and it contains, one group contains 3. Three dots, right? And it's mean 1 into 3, 3. Now 2 groups, each group contains 3. So 2 groups, and each group contains 3 dots, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? We can add it, so then the answer will be same. Now 3 groups, and each group contains 3. 3 into 3, 9. Now 4 groups, each group contains 3. This is group, and it is about each group contains 3. So 4 threes are 12. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups? कितने groups हैं इसमें? 5. 5. हर group में कितने dots हैं? Each group contains 3 dots, right? So 5 threes are 15. Now the same thing is happening here, that we are adding one group again and over again, right? And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 group, each group contains 3. 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. 3 6 are also 18. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 groups, and each group contains 3. कितने होंगे ये? How many? So there are 7 threes are 21. 7 groups है ना? 7 threes are 21. Now these are 8 groups, and each group contains 3 dots. So 8 into 3, 24. 9 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups, and each group contains 3. 9 threes are 27. And this is last, how many groups? 10. 10 groups, and each group contains 3 dots. So these are 10 threes are 30, right? This is your home assignment, home task. You will write table of 3, right? This is your home. Now what we will do, we will learn the table of 3 first, so then you will write it. Okay, so be ready for learning the table of, learning the table of 3. And repeat over and over again while working, playing. So in this way you will learn.
Hi friends, now we will learn table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 tens are 30, 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30.
Yes. Okay, student. Now you will learn the table of 3 with monkey and then write it, do it your assignment. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.